my God, it's so good to be here in Pasadena. But I gotta tell you, the Pasadena police ain't worth a dime. They got nothing to do. I got pulled over 3 times in 4 blocks by the same cop. Talking about, we heard there was some gang activity in the area. And you don't even have to dial 911 in Pasadena. All you gotta do is think about dial 911. They show up like, woo, is there a problem up in here? Try dial 911 in LA. You call 911 in LA, it's like, doo-doo-doo. The number you have reached has been permanently disconnected. If this is an actual emergency, call the Pasadena police because they're not doing nothing right now. Now they've talked about Facebook. Facebook fans out here tonight, where you at, Facebook fans? Facebook was an amazing invention, wasn't it? When it first came out, everybody got so excited. You saw your friends from high school, your friends from college, you friended them, they friended you back, then you ain't talk to them no more. Then you had that one person that's on Facebook all day long. Talking about, will you poke me? Will you like me? Will you join my cause? You need to get on career building and get a job. That's what you need to do. There's some pretty women out here tonight. I gotta take a picture and put on my Facebook page real quick too anyway. So see if I do that right there, you know. Ooh, Lord, Lord, Lord. Because people gonna ask me, say, Craig, what'd you do in Pasadena at the Ice House? I'm like, I met a sexy girl at the Ice House. Wanna see a picture? And you know what happens in Pasadena stays in Pasadena, you know what I'm saying? Now I just got married. You see how the women get so excited. Oh, that's so great. Men are like, what were you thinking about? My wife got mad at me too because she's like, you need to change your relationship status. I would, but the thing I was looking for ain't on here. But I tell you, you know, when you first start dating, women are so nice and dainty. They're neat, they're nice to you. They're like, what you need, baby? What can I do for you? I love you so much. After you say I do, they start burping and passing gas. I remember I came home one night, walked in the house, my wife didn't know I was there. I was like, what is that smell? I was like, Al-Qaeda has struck. Al-Qaeda has struck. Then she's gonna try to blame it on the dog. Dog walked up to me like, no.